Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome to Mom, the complete first season DVD unboxing. This is from 2014 of Warner Brothers, but this season was from 2013 to 14. Special feature includes a Mother of Gabriel. So here it is. I don't know how many how many discs this is, but it's a 3-disc set. So here we go. First, look at this. The same thing you can see there, so there's that. I'll tell you the cast in the back. And the episode guide. Here's disc 1. Disc 2. And disc 3. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Like, comment, subscribe, turn those notification bells on. Give me every time I upload. Love you guys. See you in the next video.